this one here is the one that you're going to be using in this class. So put a check mark next to that. Because that's the one you're going to be using. Don't use this one here. This one you can use later on, but why is it that there's a trailing? Because if there's a gas tank in this direction where the arrow is pointing, why would you be welding towards the gas tank? Why would you be transferring sparks towards that cabinet full of gas? Right? That's kind of like insanity. And what is insanity? Insanity is doing the same things over and over, expecting different results, right? So I get that a lot of people. If it's not getting hot, then and that means that your flame is too low, right? I mean, if you do that 100 times, your low flame, the same result is gonna happen. That's insanity, right? Because you know it's not gonna work, right? So we need to do something about it.
To increase the flame, you'd open the Y valve. Both of them. To increase the flame, you'd open the Y valve.
Oh no, the Y valve is just to open up so you can get flow to use. So from the Y valve, what happens is
That just wide open.
Yeah, it's just a flow valve that goes it goes
open both gases, right? More.
Right. No, wait, say it again.
So to increase the flame size, you just want to increase both gases the same amount, basically, as long as you have the right.
Yeah. Well, to increase temperature, you want to add oxygen to increase temperature. Yeah. So all you got to do is just increase. Somebody's coming in. Somebody's coming to try to see. Right. Medium heat right here. You can put it right. Medium heat transferred to a baked surface on this side, so that way we save time. Okay. So this is important. Write this down because this is gonna help you to distribution. Okay.
Saeed, do you need notes?
I would appreciate it, I guess. Thank you.
Okay.
I'm in the chat, so I guess you can send me to the chat. That'd be much appreciated. Thank you.
No, I just need copies because it's a lot.
Oh, okay.
I'll bring them tomorrow.
Wait, Mr. Diaz, both groups are coming in tomorrow?
Yeah. There's no hybrid.
Oh, okay.
So you're gonna be together every day. I mean, you're in person. So you're gonna leave at 2:10 tomorrow.